Many of today's CNC control offer a conversational programming option. Let's dive in and see why Kipware Conversational CAM is the better option. Creating G-code at a conversational CNC control means 1. Programming at the machine in the shop which is dirty, noisy and full of distractions. 2. Programming at the machine means the machine is usually not producing parts during that process and is basically losing money. 3. Because the CNC control is not a PC, the programming interface is cryptic and lacks the power and features of a PC like DXF import and file management features. Creating G-code with Kipware Conversational CAM means 1. The ability to program anytime and anywhere. 2. One seat of Kipware can be used to program multiple machines. 3. Kipware outputs FANUC, POS and Akuma G-code out of the box, meaning no post-processor issues to deal with. 4. Kipware puts all the power of your PC at your fingertips with full DXF import and all the power and user-friendly features of a PC interface. And 5. A Kipware purchase means a one-time fee for a lifetime license, 2 seats standard and no monthly or maintenance fees ever. If you're considering a CNC machine with a conversational control or tired of programming your current conversational control at the machine, in the shop, we invite you to explore Kipware Conversational CAM. Quick to learn and easy to use, Kipware is a tremendous addition to your G-code creating arsenal. Get all the details at www.kipware.com.